This is day 17 of our Bhutan trip. Today, or as part of our return trip, we are driving from Purnia to Kanpur. It's just a straight drive, there is nothing to see in between, so we should be making quick progress here. As we are searching for a dhaba where we can have our breakfast, we had to refuel the car because it's kind of running low on the fuel. So we refuel the car and then continue looking for our breakfast. A short distance away, we find this dhaba which is named Lankesh Family Restaurant. Just out of curiosity from the name, we decide to have our breakfast here. Little after Muzaffarpur, we see a huge traffic jam. It's jam for quite some time. I stop the car, walk up to the front of the jam, and then I find out that basically few villages from around the nearby areas have blocked the road because they haven't had a LPG supply for quite some time, and they found the best way to pressurize the government is to block the highway. We are stuck here for almost an hour, but there is nothing else we could do, so we wait, and finally the police comes, there is some negotiations, and finally the jam is opened, so we continue our journey. As we continue driving, very soon we enter the UP border. The Bihar and UP both look very similar in its landscape. It's just flat lands. Still, you can see there are no hills, nothing like that, and you can very clearly see it's a very agriculture centric economy. Little before Gorakhpur, we again see a block. This time the police has blocked it. Earlier it was citizens who had blocked it. Basically, we go and inquire, and what we find out is that some politician has decided that the best way to reach his destination is to drive the wrong side of the road. So he blocks us so that he can drive on the wrong side of the road and reach his destination fast. We wait there for a while, and eventually his entourage essentially goes off, and then we are allowed to go. We take the bypass to Lucknow and continue on. We find a roadside place called Anand Resort. We go there for lunch. It's a terrible, terrible place. If you are somewhere between Gorakhpur and Kanpur or Lucknow, and you see a place called Anand Resort, please don't stop. Bad service, bad food. There is basically no silver lining in this cloud. Finally, we reach our hotel called the Hotel Attic in Kanpur. It has been a long drive, but on arriving here, we are informed that there is no dinner. I don't know whether they never serve dinner or today is a special treatment to us. In any case, we have no choice because the money has been paid to the hotel, so we have to stay here. So we decide to get out, walk around, and see if we can find some place to eat nearby. We go and do that, but there is nothing nearby. There is one hotel where there is a wedding party going on. So we finally have to take out the car again, drive around, and we go to the hotel Landmark, which has a restaurant called Kanpur 1857. We go there, have our dinner, and then come back to the hotel. Finally, we reach back the hotel around 11:30 p.m. It's too late. This has been a long drive. It's total 905 kilometers, and we started at around 4:45 a.m. and we reached around 11:30. So it has been around total of 19 plus hours. Keep in mind that 2 to 3 of those hours were spent in jams that we encountered because of whims and fancies of people on the way. In any case, it has been a good drive otherwise. I'm sure you have liked this video. If you did, please subscribe for this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I load new videos. Thank you very much. See you in one of the future videos.